counts, but some students arrive when classes have already begun. Tardiness is becoming a common problem at Canubing National High School. Being late means missing important lessons, activities, and opportunities to learn. It affects not only grades but also discipline and responsibility. Sometimes it caused by poor time management, late sleeping, or lack of preparation. But change starts with small daily habits. Our advocacy promotes punctuality, discipline, and responsibility among students. By managing time well, preparing early, and valuing education, we can build better habits. Let's make being on time a priority. Arriving early show respect for our teacher, our classmate, and ourselves. Together, we can reduce tardiness at Canubing National High School.